How to fix Spotify playing random songs. Sometimes autoplay automatically queues up similar songs when your playlist, album, or podcast finishes, so we'll try to turn it off. Simply tap on your profile section, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now here you'll find Playback option. Now here you'll find Autoplay, where it is written similar content will play when what you're listening to ends, so just turn it off. In this way, random songs will not appear after you've finished your album. What you can do next is turning off your Smart Shuffle, because Smart Shuffle adds personalized random song suggestion to your active playlist. In order to do that, simply open any playlist, and beside play icon right over here, there is a shuffle icon. Tap on that. But turning off it requires a subscription, so you can try 1 month for $0 and try premium version of Spotify. After that, you'll be able to control fully over your listening and play in any other shuffle or smart shuffle with premium, and you'll be able to turn off autoplay and reshuffling. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you find this video useful. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.